Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayush and after a long time I'm creating such live video with my face. Till now I was just creating the poetic video, but now I have decided I will be showing up my face and I will be creating up the videos. Today is a really very important day. Today is World Mental Health Day, and I thought that it is really very important to talk about mental health and how to cope up with stressful conditions and stressful life conditions. So yeah, today we will be talking about what is good mental health, how we can cope up with different type of mental health issues. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to talk about is what is good mental health. So, if you're internally as well as externally happy, then only you are having good mental health. For mental health, I would say that nowadays everyone is under pressure, everyone is having stressful life, and everyone is having anxiety, depression, and everyone is suffering from that. But they are not aware of how to tackle all these issues. Recently, one of my friend, I just posted a story on Instagram and I asked for suggestions like what are things a teenager should do to have a good mental health. And one of my friend told me that there is no one to talk to, talk to him. Like he feels very lonely as he is the only child in the family and he's having no siblings. Parents also don't talk to him. Like it happens. Like I'm also the only child and it happens. Like how to tackle all these problems. So there are various things and various factors that affect your mental health. So to tackle all those factors, there are some few tips that I'm going to share with you all. And they are like you should have the habit of socializing. You should talk to people. If you talk to people, then you get an idea like what other person is feeling. If you don't talk to people, you are not able to share your feelings with other persons. So have this habit of socializing. Talk to people and don't just talk to people who don't consider your feelings important. They are just friends for benefits. That means they are just with you just for your money and just for the things you are having. So just leave all these people. Next thing, like I have seen a lot of people following great people on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. And what they learn from there is fakeism. They learn their fake lifestyle, they just try to follow that fake lifestyle, and when they are not able to do that, they feel very sad and depressed. So I just suggest that don't follow such people because once you are following such people, you are following and promoting fakeism. So just don't do that. Next thing that you can do is journaling. Journaling is an activity, it acts as a self-help activity that you can do. You can jot down all the things that has happened with you and you have done in the whole day, and just try to write down all the victories that you achieve. Small victories, like if you got some reinforcement, some praise from some teacher. Okay, so you can just jot down all those things in that journal, and that helps a lot. And the next thing that you can do is cooking. Cooking is something that I love to do. I love to cook Indian food, and I have learned a lot of dishes in this lockdown period that has occurred. So cooking is something that acts again as some one of the factor that reduces your stress. So try to be a cook at your home. Don't disturb your mother all the time. Just try to be nicer to her. Try to cook something for her, and that will make you happy as well as your parents happy. Also try to explore yourself as much as you can. Once you start exploring yourself, once you start exploring your creativity, you try to do a lot of activities to make yourself busy. Like I love to teach, so I have started tuitions and I give tuitions, and that makes me happy. So that is something that I'm doing to cope up with my loneliness, to cope up with all the anxiety and stress that I'm having. And when we talk about the school pressure, it is something that cannot be cured in 1 or 2 days. It is something that is a part of our life and we have to go through it. So for school pressure, what you can do is don't take stress just for exams, because exams are something that are part of your life and that don't decide what you are. Your marks don't decide what you are. So just don't think about always in like the exams are coming and we are just going to be very pressurized. Don't feel like that. Follow some good self-help tips that you can find on my Instagram. I'll share the link in the description box. You can check out those pages because I have two Instagram handles. So yeah, these were all some basic tips that I just wanted to share with you people. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and comment down and tell me what do you want to see in the next video. This was my, after a long time I'm creating such face-to-face videos. If I did something wrong, don't mind that. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.